Dlela sizoyiqala kwaMabiyela.
Hathi esazana ngasimphumelo I think 6 months man.
Sanibonani and welcome back to another hot review of Ingane Zesithembu. Sana, this episode was good, really good, because we got clarity on some of the things that a lot of people were wondering about. So kahle uSibindi no Amahle abazani. uSibindi nje ubone ubuhle weza nje nokuthi Amahle wasemakhaya wabona ukuthi hayike this is the perfect candidate angayithatha adlale ngayo. She checks all the boxes. She's a virgin, wasemakhaya, muhle. Plus ke Sana usezoqeda izifundo zakhe. So after seqedile nje ukufunda, it's clear ukuthi shuthi ngeke enze lutho ngezifundo zakhe ngoba uzobe seyohlala ke eMzumbe abe unkosikazi. We also got the clarity yokuthi ke uyena ke uAmahle ozoba umamkhulu, which is sad guys. It's unfortunate esidini laTirilo because yo okokuqala mdala kunaye, okwesibili akanazo izingane, so she can't possibly understand the situation akuyona. Nanokuthi nje ufike nje qala uTirilo and now this person is just gonna overtake her kanjalo. Even though she has mentioned ukuthi nakazile la ukuzokhompitha ngezikhundla, she's there to support indoda yakhe, but still it has to hurt ngaphakathi. And then ke Sana esadini lakhe uAmahle, into mina ngicabanga ukuthi nje uyibonile ukuthi isibongo holds weight in this industry, nanokuthi ke ubona ukuthi ungena emndenini onemali and uyabona ukuthi uzobenefita in a lot of ways. But ke Sana ugirl akazi ngempela ukuthi uyifakile. She's only 20 years old and mhla waphaphama bakithi kuyobe seku too late because uyobe sechele ngenyongo esehlele eMzumbe ese-investe a lot of her time and possibly uyobe seneyingane. So nje it's just nje sad ngoba we all know how it's gonna end up. And oh my goodness guys, I loved this episode because I have never heard indoda ibe honest kanje, especially such a young man. Ikhuluma nje iqiniso nje about what he thinks about umshado. Ngesikhathi uAmahle mbuza ukuthi why did you choose me? Did he mention anything about love? Did he mention anything about love? That boy did not say that he loves that girl.
Ukuthi angaba naye inkinga ngoba phela naye umuntu imvelaphi yakhe khombe emakhaya.
And nje I just wish ukuthi our young girls can see and watch ukuthi how men talk, because honestly it shows ngempela ukuthi amadoda acabanga kanjani, not just uSibindi. Lento ayikhulumayo ikhulumisa ukuthi he has heard other men talking about naye wayibona ukuthi hayi into angayithanda ayilandele.
Na ingozi kanjani lento ukuthi na umuntu athatha ukuthi wena ngo90 ba wawungihlukumeza. Inkinga enkulu ke lonto. Ngcono kuba ukuthi umuntu uthi uyangihlukumeza vele usemagcekeni akithi uthelwe ngenyongo.
uSibindi literally said, the reason I'm marrying you as soon as possible is because I'm trying to prevent ama-arguments. If silwa manje, ungahamba uyofuna omunye umuntu ungishiye mina. But emshadweni uzocabanga twice ngoba uyobe sechelwe ngenyongo. Because kwi-past yakhe uSibindi ubonile ukuthi lento yokuthandana nomuntu nibe nezingane ningashadile nixabane, umuntu avela ashiye phansi kanjalo kalula kanjalo ngoba yikho into ebahlanganisayo, even ingane ayikwazi ukubahlanganisa. Ngalendlela abawuthanda ngawo mendo koba nzima ukuthi awushiye. So nje guys, onendlebe uzolalela because this is not just him talking. Ukhulumela nje amadoda out there, especially ke amadoda amaZulu. This is literally how men use umendo to trap women, not because bayabathanda, but because bayabona ukuthi if ababathathi bebasondeze eduze bebabophele kulezi ibongo zabo, kulula umuntu uthaqoqa umthwalo wakhe ahambe. But if esechelwe ngenyongo, that person has an obligation to the ancestors ke manje, while yena he can do whatever he wants out in the streets. And I don't know if you guys noticed ngesikhathi uSibindi seqala ukukhuluma ngoTirilo about their meeting up, yabo ukuze bejwayelane and everything. Did you see that girl's face? That was not the face of a person already for isithembu owaziyo ukuthi uyifake kwini. That was the face of a girl onganendaba nje whether there are other girls in the mix or not. Yena nje as long as umamkhulu, she's all good. And I know people will say, okay, ufisa uthando act kanjani. And mina, my only thing is, if umuntu entarisha kwisithembu, you should be welcoming to other women, especially uma ufika emva kwabanye ke. Kumele nje inhliziyo yakhe ivuleke nje. Be happy ukuba introduced to umamkhulu or to other girlfriends. Be interested nje, ubuze ukuthi umuntu onjani nje, mayicabanga ingamthanda amahle, that sort of thing. Be interested. I feel like ugele nje uyitshela ukuthi nje she's going to be treated differently from uTirelo, and it's going to be unfortunate mase kucaca ukuthi wayethathwelana. Angazi ngempela noma they've had conversations uAmahle naye uSibindi about uTirelo ukuthi umuntu onjani and all of that. Only time will tell. Kodwa ke mina shame from me past nje kaSibindi and just watching umnakwethu uthando nesithembu, I know ukuthi at first vele kuzoba ngathi everything is all good, everything is all rosy, but ke sana kuzoqhamuka isikhathi abantu sebeyiveza ukuthi banjani, especially makunendoda ke phakathi ke, because we all know ukuthi indoda yohleli ba-treater differently. As much as ilokithi yabathanda bonke ngokufana, kohle kukhona lo treater differently because of mhlawumbe indlela ahlonipha ngayo or indlela ayiyona. And then when it comes to iscene kaMakhumalo noSneh, I absolutely loved iscene yabo, and ngithandile ukuthi uMakhumalo did not interrupt uSneh, wamyekela nje wakhuluma, wayikhulumela yena, then they made peace. And I hope from now on we don't hear anything about whatever issues are coming, because it is not it nje shame. When it comes to iscene kaSibindi nobhuti bakhe, all I can say is that I am not surprised that he doesn't want to take advice good ezomakha abe yindoda eqotho, yena nje uthanda nje advice ebhedayo. Because mina, in my opinion, I thought there were points where they made a lot of sense, especially when it comes to letting uTirelo know ukuthi uplan ukwenzani uSibindi, instead of going behind her back ayolobola and then iqhamuke sethu selubolile. As much as bengashadile, as much as uTirelo ebonile efonini, she still deserves leyo respect as uma wengane, as umuntu ofike kuqala azi ukuthi usezoshada omunye. But mina, to be honest, I feel like he didn't tell uTirelo because he knew ukuthi akenze kahle as ubaba kaSingabakho. So now esetshela uTirelo ukuthi ucabanga ukulobola enye intombazane qala kunaye, uTirelo bezombuza ukuthi manje ingane awuyondli kodwa unemali yokuthi uhambe ulobola amanye amantombazane. Ngani ukuthi nje it does not make sense ukuthi ulobola umuntu ushiye ubaby mama wakho from the get go, nje bengamela athandane naye if ngempela beyithanda ngaleyo ndlela isiko lakhe. Because to be honest, at this point we still don't know if he can actually provide for amakhosikazi akhe. We haven't seen his house, we haven't seen his businesses. uSibindi unemali yokolobola neyokuvela kodwa kanayo imali yokuthi ingane crash. That does not make sense kumina, like khonto eshodayo la. Noma ufuna ukuthi uTirelo asale naye ayigadi ukuze engakwazi ukuqhubeka nempilo, akwazi ukwenza izinto, akwazi ukuqhubeka nezifundo zakhe. Clearly akanendaba shuthi vele whether uTirelo uyaqeda esikoleni noma akaqedi. Otherwise ngabe wenza sure ukuthi ingane ayime endleleni kaTirelo ukuthi aqede izifundo zakhe. And it's so crazy to think uTirelo uyamthemba uSibindi ukuthi uzomlalela ngalezi fiso yena anazo for herself, ukuthi ufuna ukuhlala in the city while uSibindi namakhosikazi akhe bahlale lapha eMzumbe. Mina nje angimboni uSibindi emondla eyondla ngisho nengane mase behlala in the city. Ngathi kunzima manje bengakashadi. Imagine mase beshadile sebehlala in two different places. How are they going to navigate that? Obviously uzogcina engasam-treat the same way as the other ones abazobe behleli eMzumbe. So nje sana uTirelo has some difficult decisions to make, and I just hope she makes the right one.
Bengizomtshela ukube yena akangenanga efonini yami, kodwa bengeke ngimtshele futhi ngingakayi. Bengizomtshela sengiyile.